Good afternoon.
Yeah, I am doing great. Yeah, good afternoon. I am doing great. And what about you?
I am also doing great.
Okay, and how is going on in your day?
My day is going on good and a little bit busy also. Yeah, because it is a
Okay,
Friday day, so I have to do lots of work today. That's why I am a little bit busy. My day was hectic.
okay. So tell me about yourself.
Yeah, I am Tabassum. I am from Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior. I have done MSc B.Ed. I have teaching experience also. I used to teach. But during pandemic, I had to leave school because that time I had to take online class. But I was unable to take online class. That's why I had to leave school. I left school 2 years ago. Now I am house maker. I am learning English. That's it about me. What about you?
Okay. Yeah, as you know, my name is Priyanka Gupta. I am a teacher and I am running my YouTube channel. I uploaded a conversational English related video and I live in Greater Noida. That's all. So you were saying that you have completed your B.Ed. So after completing your B.Ed, did you give any exam like related to government exam, TET, CTET?
Yeah, I gave many government exam. Sometimes I was selected, but sometime I actually that time I was selected in government teacher. But that time
Okay.
I have not done my B.Ed. That's why I was not. I could not get government job.
Okay. So when did you think about this language and how did you motivate for yourself for learning English?
Actually, I did my whole education from Hindi medium school. But
Okay.
I used I started my speaking English journey 5 months ago.
Oh,
5 months ago, I downloaded Hybro app. You also would know about
yeah.
Hybro app thing.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah. So 5 months ago, I was unable to speak 2 minutes constantly. But after downloading Hybro app, I am able to speak English fluently. I am being able to speak English fluently because of that application. Yeah,
Yeah.
nowadays I am noticing many remarkable changes in myself because of this application. Yeah, I can
Yeah.
speak fluently.
Yeah. This application is very good for all beginners. Right.
Yeah, that application is very good for beginner learner. Yeah.
Okay. So how did you overcome your fear for speaking English? How did you overcome?
Actually, I overcome my fear. Uh, Actually, I keep on watching English speaking videos on YouTube. I keep practicing I keep practicing in application. I have been using two application like Hypro application and be Angrezi application also. So by doing conversation or I keep the conversation in those applications. That's why I controlled my fear or I overcome my fear.
Oh, that's good. So what's your plan after learning? What will you do? You have any plan?
Actually, I am thinking when I will be fluent or advanced English speaker, then I will run my own YouTube channel in which I will teach English. And I will make
Okay.
English conversation video also.
Okay. So are you going to start your coaching class for teaching?
No, no, I will not take any coaching class. Yeah,
Okay.
but I will run only my own YouTube channel in which I will make conversation videos and if I will get opportunity or chance to take coaching class, so I will definitely take.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, I hope you will achieve your goals in your life. God bless you.
So much. Yeah.
Okay.
You are a government teacher. So which class do you teach?
Actually, I teach in primary school, so I have to teach all students, 1 to 5th class student I teach.
Which subject do you teach?
I teach all subject because there is not one particular subject. I have to teach all subject.
Okay. Have
So
you had lunch?
yeah, I have had my lunch, and you?
No, no, I did not take my lunch. I will take my lunch after conversation. You. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah, actually, I'm feeling very good. Yeah, I am talking to you and first time as a video call. Actually, I
Yeah.
have talked. Yeah.
I also feeling very good by with
I am very
conversation. You.
glad. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Thank you. I am also very glad. I am also feeling very good with talking to you. Yeah, actually, I have never spoken to anyone on audio call in English. I
Yeah.
am making conversation first time with you in on audio call, on video call.
Me too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
By the way,
No.
we made many conversation in audio call, but we are making conversation on or video call first time. I think. Yeah. So I
Yeah.
am. That's why I'm feeling very good with conversation to you.
Yeah. Right. So, ma'am, actually, this time, do you have any friends whenever you talk front to front with them?
Actually, I have a friend, but my friend also they are a teacher, so they don't have sufficient time. Uh, that's why I don't. They don't have sufficient time to. That's why I'm not talking to them.
Okay. So, ma'am, you were saying that you were a teacher, but why did you skip your job? Behind any
Actually,
reason?
as I told you, I had to leave I left my job during pandemic time, because that time
Okay.
actually I used to teach in private school. That time actually I have a my eye problem also. That time I
Okay.
had to take online class, but I was unable to take online class because of my eyes. Yeah,
Okay. But
that's why
if what do you do for enhancing your English?
actually, I am, as I told you, I am practicing in applications, and I keep on watching English speaking videos on YouTube. Sometimes I watch English speaking videos. There are many conversation videos available on YouTube, so I watch them. And sometimes I read newspapers. Sometimes I watch English speaking movies, and sometimes sometimes I listen a celebrity speech. Sometimes listen motivational speech. By doing this, my English is getting improved day by day.
Okay. Yeah, actually, I want to ask you one question. There's a one beginners and they sent to me message, ma'am, I am very beginner. I don't know about grammar. So, and I want to talk in English language, everyone. So, how should I start?
I think, to my mind, if you want to be a fluent in English, so you will have to. I think you should have basic knowledge of grammar, like tenses and modal verbs.
Right.
If you don't know tenses and modal verbs, at least tenses, present tense, past tense, and future tense. If you don't have knowledge of tenses and modal verbs, so how will you speak in English?
Right.
Yeah. I'm not saying you need to go deep grammar.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to go deep grammar, but basic grammar. You should have knowledge of basic grammar. You should have command of basic grammar if you want
Right.
to be fluent in English. Yeah, to my
Yeah,
mind.
without basic grammar, no one start speaking English. Basic grammar is very important for learning English, right? So, did you teach in convent school or Hindi medium school?
Oh, I used to teach in private English medium school.
English medium school. So, in which class did you teach?
I used to teach middle classes like 6th, 7th, 8th. I used to teach science. I used to teach science subject.
I am very happy having the conversation.
Yeah, I am also very happy. Yeah, to conversation with you. Yeah.
Yeah, same to you. Okay, nice to talk to you.
Thank you
Bye.
so much.